Hi, this is Dr. Namrata. Today in this video, I will tell you about biocombination 20 number, which is indicated for the all types of skin conditions. So if you have the problem of the urticaria, or if you have the problem of the rashes, eruptions, or if you have the problem of the acne, pimples, psoriasis or eczema, in all these type of skin condition, you can use this medicine. This biocombination is a very effective for all type of skin condition. So in this video I will tell you about the biocombination 20 number, its pricing, its composition, its indications, uses and the benefits of this medicine. Also I will tell you about the doses and how can you take this medicine for a better result. So video is very informative. Watch till then, stay with me. Let's get started. Starting the video, if you haven't not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my upcoming videos. Let's discuss about the biocombination 20 number. Today in this video I will tell you about the biocombination 20 number from the Requac brand, which is a very effective homeopathic patent combination medicine for all types of skin conditions. Let's talk about its composition. In this combination, the various types of skin condition medicines are added like this. In this composition, the calcarea sulf are added, natrum sulf, kali sulfs are added, and also in this the natrum mur is added, which is very effective combination for all types of skin conditions. Let's discuss about what are the indications of the medicine, in which condition you can use this biocombination. First of all, let's talk about it is indicated in the acne. So if you have the problem of the acne, or if you have the problem of the any type of acne, or if you have the problem of the hormonal acne, or if you have the problem of the gastric acne, in all types of condition you can use this biocombination, which is very indicated, very effective for your curing your acne conditions. If you have the problem of the pustular acne, or if you have the problem of the nodulocystic acne, you have the smaller acne, or you have the bigger acne, in all this condition you can use this homeopathic combination, which is very effective for healing your acne condition. It also promote healing and also suppress the separation, and also it helps in the healing and also reduces the scar formation. In all these conditions you can use this biocombination for your acne. The second indication of this biocombination will be the it is indicated for a urticaria. So if you have the problem of the urticaria, if you have the problem of the reddish very itchy bumps on your skin surfaces, if you have the problem of the urticaria on your body, on your hands, on your feet, in all this condition you can use this biocombination medicine. And the third indication of this medicine will be the it is indicated for the rashes or eruptions. If you have the problem of the rashes or of scabies, you have the problem of the tiny red itchy bumps on your skin surface, there may be the severe itching, there may be the burning sensation, there may be the burning after scratching. In all these conditions you can use this homeopathic combination. Let's talk about its fourth indication. It is indicated for the eczema condition. If you have the problem of the dermatitis, if you have the problem of the eczema, like if you have the problem of the skin lesion which are very thickened, dry and cracked, there will be the cracked on your skin surface, there may be the bleeding, there may be the discharge from your skin lesion. In all these conditions you can use this biocombination. It is very effective for curing your eczema condition. It is also very effective for your dermatitis condition. In all these conditions you can use this biocombination. And the fifth indication of this medicine, it is indicated for the psoriasis. So if you have the problem of the psoriasis, if you have the scaly lesion found on your skin surface, on your hand, on your feet, on your pressure points, in all this condition you can use this medicine. It is a very effective for your curing your psoriasis condition. Sixth indication of this medicine will be it is indicated for the dry and cracked skin. If you have the problem of the dry and cracked skin, if you have the problem of the unhealthy skin, in all this condition you can use this medicine. If you have the problem of the itching on your skin, if you have the problem of the itching without eruption on your skin surface, in all this condition you can use this homeopathic combination. And the next indication of this medicine will be it is indicated for the parenchyma. Parenchyma is a fungal infection which is found on your nail bud. This condition is called the parenchyma. There may be the pus formation, there may be the discharge, there may be the swelling and pain. In all these conditions you can use this Y combination. And the next indication of this combination will be it is indicated for the fungal infection. So if you have the problem of the ringworm, if you have the lesions, red itchy circular ring shaped lesion found on your skin surface, on your folds of skin, under breast, genitals, inner thigh, buttock region, in all this condition you can use this medicine. It is indicated for your tinea capitis. If you have the problem of the fungal infection on your scalp, there will be the pus formation, in all this condition you can use this medicine. It is a very useful medicine for curing your fungal infection of any part of your body, on your head, on your hair, on your nails, on your groin region. In all this condition you can use this medicine. It is a very effective for curing your fungal infection. In all this condition you can use this bi combination, which is very effective for curing your all type skin conditions. And next skin condition which is indicated, you can use this medicine for your seborrheic dermatitis. If you have the problem of the seborrheic dermatitis, if in this condition you can use this medicine. This medicine is a very effective for curing your seborrheic dermatitis condition. So this medicine is a very effective medicine for the all types of skin conditions. Like if you have the problem of the eczema, psoriasis, urticaria, rashes, eruptions, or if you have the problem of the acne, pimples, or if you have the problem of the cracked and chapped skin, in all types of skin condition you can use this bi combination, which is very effective for curing your all type skin condition. So let's talk about how to take the doses of this medicine. You have to take 4 tablets thrice in a day, morning, noon and evening. You can take this medicine for 3 to 4 months along with your internal medicine. This medicine helps to cure your fungal infection as well as your eczema, psoriasis or eruptions condition. It can cure your pimples and acne. You can use this medicine. Definitely you will get very good results. So this was the discussion about the bi combination 20 number. I hope you will like this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.